Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I'm definitely still looking at these higher time frames, especially the monthly. It's still as a wave A possibly, or 1. Still looks like 3 waves up for a B or a 2, and I still think it is going to go down and make a downtrend, most likely for a wave C, or possibly even a wave 3. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame, because I think it's pretty clear that this correction is not over. It pretty much proved to me that it was not over. I still think this move down is a 1. I still think this move up is a 2. I just do not think that this correction is over. I think it probably is going to go up to one of these higher fib levels before it actually does go down for that wave 3 of wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Well, on the daily time frame, looking at all the dollar pairs, especially the US dollar index, I do think that we are still in an uptrend. I think that it is at least going to go up and take out the high of this wave B right here, and probably all the way up to at least a 61.8. I think what happened was that this was like a flat right here, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down. I think that's an expanding flat. Higher high wave B, lower low wave C, definitely fits the characteristics of a flat. That is probably why it looked like an ending diagonal, but really it's actually a flat. But either way, I am looking for longs in an uptrend. Now, we do have interest rate news coming out tomorrow for the US dollar, which could possibly change things. But for now, I would definitely continue to look for longs. Now, hopefully it does make a pullback, because if it does make a pullback, then that should give us another opportunity to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I was short on some of these pairs, but I mean, at some point you have to admit when the market is telling you something, you have to listen, and the dollar is definitely telling me that it's going up, which tells me that I definitely need to start looking for longs in an uptrend. Really, we should have been looking for longs. There's been some very good opportunities in the last week or so, really the last couple weeks, to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, which possibly could happen tomorrow at the interest rate news for the dollar, I am definitely going to look for longs in a uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked in the card up here above, and also don't forget to check out my new website, linked down here in the corner. So as always, thanks and happy trading.